Hello, I'm doing an Amazon wig review of this burgundy beautiful wig right here. She is a synthetic blend wig. She's one of my favorites. I love this color. I take care of my wigs, so I pin them up, and when I wash them, I twist them down to keep, the frizzies down. Synthetics, you do have to do a little maintenance. But if you take care of your synthetic wigs, they'll take care of you. Just like this. After a wash, put them up like this. So let me show you how beautiful she is. She's long too. Long and pretty. Look at this color. Flyaways that I know how to tame. As long as I know how to tame them, they're good with me. And she's been with me for a minute. It stays tamed all up in here, just a little at the ends, because she's a lot of hair. Let's see. Now this wig has no combs. No combs, but a nice headband. It has the straps. I undo the straps because I have a big head. So I'm gonna make it do what it do. Now for this wig right here, because she's such a beauty, I will wear this wig as a headband wig. I love headband wigs, and to cut through all the fuss of trying to make it look perfect around the edges here, because I want the color. Fix my net. I like wigs that's easy to manage and easy to put on and go. I'm not with so far all the glueless wigs. I make things a little simpler, I believe. She goes on nicely. She's a lot. You would have to put some bobby pins in here. Okay, so what I would do, I will put bobby pins in, so as I'm demonstrating. Ooh, she is a lot. She's cute though, huh? So let's see what I would do with her. I just grabbed a headband because I really wouldn't want to have to blend my hair, which is red but not this red, which is not dark in the isn't dark in the roots but not like this. And so I take the simpler route. And I throw a headband on. Gel my edges. And for all this beautiful, beautiful hair, what to do, what to do. Let's see. For the ladies who likes to wear their hair down, for this wig, see, I like to wear them up. But if I were to wear it down, look, she got a nice curl to it. She's fairly new too. See, that's pretty. I learned this trick to put my wig like this. Comes out pretty quick. Cute. Let's see here. Now, for an updo. She will make a real cute ponytail. Just right there. Comb it out. Nice, cute ponytail with a headband, nice, simple, affordable wig that you can manage. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.